Okay, this is going to be your basic walk around video. This thing is the stand for our stirrup bender. The legs are down about 1 meter into the ground. They got a 6-inch round plate on the bottom to make it stable. And we bend up number 18 rebar on this. And we bend flat bar 1.5 inches wide and 2 inches wide on the same thing. And there's a plate goes on the top, and that'll be coming up shortly with the thing assembled and somebody actually running it. But we have 5 plates that go on the top. They make the butterfly shaped stirrups, and rectangular and square and trapezoidal, and one that looks like a Chrysler hood ornament. But they're all been used in the house, and each plate has 2 sides, so that's 10 possible setups. They don't have to cut anything or drill any more holes. Anyway, that'll be coming up shortly. Next item, let's talk concrete mixers. This is called a 1-bagger mixer. The motor's stored in the dry inside the house. Let's just go over a few things about concrete mixers. If I had to buy another mixer, I'd buy it from the same people. The parts that are right are really right. Now, there's a few things that set you off when you buy it. One, the tires are used. This one actually had some tread lines on it. They generally don't. Things to watch out for. This latch arranger is a handle that flips up and down. And this fits into a teeth in the sprocket. It's actually a stop wheel. But that holds it at the angle that you want to turn it for mixing it. And when you turn it down, you can lock it. We basically turn it down and dump directly into the buckets. We get some fairly big buckets. So we find it's quicker and less labor just to tilt it over and dump it into the buckets. Because we only use about a total of 9 people on a big pour and about 6 or 7 on a regular pour. And that's because we pre-stage all of our materials and the mixer right next to where we're going to pour. Closer we can put the mixer, and the materials are stored close enough they're not in the way, but they're really close. Things to worry about on the mixer. The base of the mixing drum comes down here close to this handmade I-beam with curved ends, sort of a U-shaped. You can't make it out, but what's in the middle of that space there is a pipe spacer. It's about 1.5 inches long. It was meant to fit into an oil seal, but there's about a 1/4 inch gap around it when you get it. It has never fit the oil seal. The problem is